In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Forgotten Seas on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and after that we are quickly going to search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. Quickly search up the game Forgotten Seas and select the game. After that scroll a little bit down and then you will find out that this game on Steam is €22.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. Now what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page, and here we are going to search for the same game, Forgotten Seas. Once you have done that, select the games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Here you will find a PC version with this text marked green, so always make sure this text is marked green, otherwise you are not able to activate this game in your country. Now select the game and open the game page, and you will find out that we can already download this game for just €11.68 compared to the Steam price of €22.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive a Steam key to activate this game through your own Steam account and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.